Hello, I'm Rich Brian Woyko, and this is a Group 7. My topic is strategies for community relations. Company is essentially need strategies to build sustainable community relation practices. For it to matter and be productive, the brand or the company should be use holistic methods to reach out and ensure the welfare of their new partnership. Number one is the community outreach programs. For example, a company organized monthly cleanup drives and tree planting activities in local barangays to promote environmental awareness and community involvement. This purpose to show corporate social responsibility and care for the environment and residents. Create sustainable community links. When engaging the community, have a long-term timeline in mind. Number one is the local supplier partnership. For example, a restaurant sources its vegetables, fruits, and meat from local farmers instead of importing products. This purpose to support local livelihoods and reduce carbon footprint, creating a sustainable business community connection. Number two is the know the needs of the people. Being sensitive to the plight of the community fosters and the bond between the company and the community. For example, conducting community service. A barangay council product service and interviews with residents to find out their main concerns such as lack of clean water, poor lighting, or unemployment. This purpose to gather real information directly from the people so the leaders can prioritize solutions. Aims to improve the community. A company coming to operate within the community had vast repercussion and ripple effect on the community way or quality of